Welcome to Monterey Bay Dumpster Services, your premier choice for reliable and affordable waste management solutions in the beautiful Monterey Bay area. We are committed to providing top-quality dumpster rental services to meet all your waste disposal needs. Our dedicated professionals are here to make the process seamless for you. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, whether a small home renovation or an extensive construction site cleanup. Our team ensures prompt delivery and pickup so you can focus on your project without worrying about waste removal. At Monterey Bay Dumpster Services, we are committed to environmentally friendly practices. We recycle as much as possible to reduce the impact on our beautiful Monterey Bay. We offer competitive pricing to fit any budget, making Monterey Bay Dumpster Services the cost-effective choice for waste disposal needs. Ready to get started? Booking a dumpster with us is easy. Visit our website at www.montereybayjunkservices.com or contact us at 831-262-6939. For all your dumpster rental needs in the Monterey Bay area, trust Monterey Bay Dumpster Services. Monterey Bay Dumpster Services, your reliable partner for hassle-free waste disposal.